When judge looks someone dead in the eye and says, "You're running out of chances," you know it's not just another theft case. But this time, it's different. Because what Sylvia Garcia admits next shocks even the court. A 20-year heroin addiction for grown kids and a past she can't escape. What really happens when a judge sees both the crime and the pain behind it?
Court is calling 2025 CR 008749 State versus Sylvia Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Jonathan Ross for the defense on behalf of Mr. Apple.
All right. Do you have any objection to this attorney standing in?
No, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I understand that Mr. Ashbaugh has got all the appropriate discovery. He's reviewed it with Ms. Garcia.
All right. Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Garcia, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We would, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this yours? Oh, the audio came back.
Oh, was it through Zoom or was it in?
They said somebody turned off the audio.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was, yeah, I apologize.
No problem. That's okay. But thank you for coming down.
Of course. Anything else I can help you with?
No, we're good. We pray.
Yes.
All right. Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, less than $2,500 with 2 or more convictions?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Uh, I understand that she's been able to consult with Mr. Ashbaugh and been able to discuss the case and the facts and circumstances of the case.
All right. Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Garcia,
Yes,
has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied re-entry, and naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 124 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's a $600 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, is that the plea?
That is the understanding of the intention.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have any such motions?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Yeah.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, proceeding with sentencing. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just ask that you follow the plea bargain.
All right. Why do you keep stealing?
I was on drugs, ma'am. I had a heroin addict. I was a heroin addict, and I've been clean for 8 months.
So that's what the other thefts as well?
Yes, ma'am. And basically, I mean, I was with my addiction for almost 20 years.
Mhm. And who is this Austin Riddick?
It's just he was an acquaintance that I knew from the street.
Mhm.
We would like team up and try to go get our drugs.
Do you have any children?
I do.
And what are their ages?
Oldest is 30, 24, 26, and 21.
All right. And grandchildren?
I do.
And what are their ages?
5, 3, and 1.
Okay. All right, this is what the court will do. The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, sentence you to 124 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, $600 fine, time and money to run concurrently. There should be no contact with Lowe's or Austin Riddick. There should be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. At some point, if you continue to pick up theft cases, you're going to be labeled habitual, and you're looking at 2 to 20 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So when you're released from the jail, if you cannot find a sober support transitional home, if you can't find somebody to help you with your addictions, then you come back here. If I'm still here, I'll pick up the phone and call for a place for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, only 1 or 2 things going to end up happening. Either you're going to end up back and forth in somebody's jail with you. Either your house is going to get raided, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body. Because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Judge didn't just hand down a sentence. She handed Sylvia a lifeline. But the question is, will she take it or fall back into the same dark cycle? One more theft, and Sylvia faces 20 years behind bars. Her story isn't just about punishment. It's about a chance to finally break free. If you want to see how justice and mercy collide in real courtrooms, hit subscribe and stay tuned to K-Strip for the next case.